At Purple Rhino Hard Exterior Surface Cleaning and Sanitising, we care about our customers and our employees' health and well-being. Every morning and every evening we sanitise inside our work vans. The product we use to sanitise is lab tested and proved to kill coronavirus. It can last up to 8 days on hard surfaces, creating an invisible barrier to slow down the risk of spreading COVID-19. Our employees are given PPE, gloves and face masks to ensure we protect them from the risk of infection as well as that of our customers. Our affiliation with the world's largest cleaning and sanitising company, Software Systems, ensure they are all trained how to sanitise safely for use. Homes and businesses call 01233 550 100 to book in your cleaning and sanitising of exterior hard surfaces. Or visit our website purple-rhino.co.uk to learn more about us. Remember, always choose your exterior cleaning contractor carefully. Purple Rhino, clean first for health and then for appearance.